Do you worry about rough sand residues? Burrs and misaligned molds affecting your casting quality? Every coated sand shell will go through thorough cleaning to remove leftover sand, fine grinding to wipe off all flashes and burrs, and precise alignment assembly before pouring. Each process is strictly inspected to ensure smooth inner cavity and stable dimensional accuracy. We are a one-stop OEM foundry, producing castings for construction machinery, commercial vehicles, agricultural equipment, and rail transit. Feel free to send your drawings for a competitive factory price.